Hi. So the first round of testing will be with the first time we are running the bot. So if we can see number of clients, IB 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 are activated. Accordingly, the allocations are also activated and the definitions are also defined. Okay, so once we are done, where the first round will be first time run bot, it will sync all the positions we have on interactive broker within each account. So, so account 34 has these many positions. It will sync automatically. The first thing we will hit connect. In message tab, if we see, we will get some around 4 to 5 messages. These are the IB error codes. The moment we connect, we get all information from our IBFA account. These are the number of accounts we have with our net liquidation value, available funds, etc. These are the total number of tickers we have added to our database. So we can take trade either from strategy one or two from these tickers only. These are the account details. Once we select load, it will display all the information. This is a portfolio tab. In the portfolio tab will load the entire portfolio as it is from IBKR. So if I select IB32, hold on. So I think this is IB32 portfolio. Yeah, four positions we have, four position. This is IB 34, the fourth account, we have 14 position. If we go here, we will see 14 position. Similarly, here we have allocation tab where we have all these drop downs. Okay. So now the first thing is we will do start button. Okay. So now in this allocation, we may want to increase the allocation percentage and sensitivity. Rest other things we won't be changing it. The second thing is this particular grid view is updated every 5 seconds. So whatever you want to update, you have a 5 second window. And even the live prices you can see are now being displayed and they will change every 5 seconds. And so the allocation percentage live will change every 5 seconds. Okay, so that part is done. So it is now dynamic, no more delays. No need to press load button, right? So let's say for Costco, we want to increase our allocation to 10 percentage. Okay, so it bought additional. Let's say we want to reduce down to 5 percentage. It is reducing down. Let's say we want to make it zero. Yeah, it exited everything. Okay. Similarly, for short side, let's say we have minus 3% short on MSFT. So let's say we want to increase it to minus 10 percentage. Okay, additional are shorted. Minus 253. Let's just confirm MSFT minus 253. If we want to bring it down to half, okay, some additionals are bought. So now we have 127. Let's say we want to make it zero. Okay, it's gone. So entire thing is flat. Now let's say once we are flat and we want to again build up a position in MSFT, by uh, let's say -5%. So it won't allow because the moment we reach zero, you need to re-enter or reopen the position for that ticker from CSV files. Okay, so let's go to CSV file. So it's 34 account. Let's say MSFT. Let's open 5 percentage. This column is in allocation percentage. Found 2. And the moment we import, it will open here. Okay. So this particular grid is refreshing every 5 seconds. So it takes some 5 seconds. Now again, if I want to increase the position here, I can do it from here itself. 10%. Let's bring down, sorry. Let's bring down to half, -5%. Okay. Let's make it 0. It's gone. Okay. We can also change the sensitivity percentage from here. Okay. Now we need to ensure that whenever we are changing the allocation percentage, this allocation live and plus sensitivity. Basically, this number should be greater than addition of both. Okay. Lesser than, sorry, lesser than. In case of short, it should be lesser. Yeah. Let's say we want to make this completely flat. Let's do it. So Bank of America is 0 now. Let's make Amazon, sorry, AMGN. Let's make it to 1%. So you see allocation percentage, 1 is less than sensitivity. So in case of long, we cannot have allocation percentage less than sensitivity. So what I will do is if I want to reduce this to 1%, so number one, I will reduce the sensitivity to 0.5 maybe. Yeah. And then let's reduce it to 1%. Okay. So we are roughly around 1%. Now let's say I want to exit everything. We can exit. Now let's say I want to re-enter into AMGN. So if I want to re-enter and if I do like this 6%, it won't allow. The moment we make it 0, you need to re-enter through the CSV file. AMGN. So let's say this time we mention the quantity in absolute. Let's say 400 quantity, round to save, import our file. Okay, 400 is bought and we are back to 12%, 12.71 something. Right. Now, if I want to increase this to 17%, certainly we can. Let's say I want to reduce it to half, 17, right? So let me make it half by exiting half number of shares. 535 is gone. Hold on, what happened? 8.5. Okay, it's sold. 8.51%. Okay, so this way we can play with it and we have the live prices and this particular grid is refreshing every 5 seconds. So our objective is achieved, right? And these are all the trades, what we have been doing it. They are also being displayed here. And any messages that may occur. So I believe this is a paper account. So the client might have logged in into live account and hence it is saying no market data during competing live session. So client must have logged in into the live account. So here now IB is not throwing us the live LTPs and bid and ask prices. You see the question mark. Okay. So yeah, that's end the demo for this particular session. Thanks.